Hello.
Hi.
Welcome, yeah?
Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, this is like our first day. My first day of this semester. Will I say first day? First day of this semester. Right now we're in faculty building. I just finished the class. Right now we just finished the class and now I'm heading to another class in another venue. I see my friend Victoria here. Hey, no mind that. So now we're heading to another class. And yesterday, today is Tuesday. I was supposed to start this vlog yesterday, but yesterday I went for excursion. So I could not do a vlog, but inside pictures of it. Yeah? For you to see, so.
Why not for me, although love you die, although dance on for me, although this not forever, although finally
It's my brother.
Why not for me, although love you die, although yeah. Baby girl with you I feel the movement. Why you there with me I know the movement. Baby girl na me and you supposed to say because of you I come.
That's my classmate Samuel.
The song slapping us, you get me? Yeah?
What's wrong with you?
I'm our best classmate here.
So now we are going to another class.
Another faculty.
Another faculty. To have an third lecture today.
Yeah, man.
I can't believe first day of resumption and I'm having so much classes like this.
Serious today.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. Need to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Foolish girl. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is what? Wednesday, Abby? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today is Wednesday. What is the time now?
It's about 1:30.
Okay, 1:30. Just finished classes now. About to go to the cafeteria. I don't know why.
Yeah. I'm about to go to the cafeteria, yeah? That's how we do here.
Crazy people.
Yeah, so welcome back to our channel. This is JB, this is Adamu. It's our channel, but we're trying to, bring up upcoming vloggers. So we're featuring. Okay, please. Channel is in the description below. Please subscribe. Make sure you like, you comment.
Yes.
So our aim for this year, for this channel, is that we want to grow upcoming vloggers.
Yeah.
So today is our first. Zulaihatmo is our first vlogger that we would like to grow.
Yes.
So guys, please tell us what you like to see on our channel.
Yes.
The stuff you like to see, lifestyle, makeup, food, fun, anything at all.
Anything, yeah.
That's how we're here. So guys, till meet again. Bye.
You can see what I'm dealing with every day of my life. Life of an engineering student.
I don't last week. Pure yam leg. Where you having yam? Where? From where? What? Where? From where?
Let me see.
Everybody has yam legs.
See how they are carrying you, God forbid. It's just me that can carry like this. Me, I'll carry one hand.
This guy is light.
You're not even up to bag of this rice.
I said
bag of rice.
Bag of rice, eh?
2-2. Fresh boys of ICT.
Whoa, yeah, man. Well,
Yes, yeah,
fresh. Yeah, this is this is the last boy in the department.
Yeah.
His name is Victor. His name is Victor.
Be careful if you want to get
Yeah, coming to dish. Fast talent, I'm a dish.
What is that?
Like you hit that is hot, temperature wise, then hot, taste wise. That's torture. The face will be
But it's
red.
sweet too, but like your face will be hot.
What will be sweet? She's a lifestyle vlogger. So we respect.
What am I doing?
She's a guest on my vlog.
You just are eating it.
That's it. That's how it goes.
You just want to be a guest.
No, I've already featured on her on my vlog already, so like. That's not official vlog. Show is the key, my vlog.
That doesn't vlog.
I have a
all the
vlog.
young girls that like me on dates.
This way we don't have a vlog.
One day I featured on, you're already talking about young girls that like.
So he has a vlog.
No, like, I'm encouraging them to have vlogs too now.
I have a vlog.
I give out. Oh, you better change that. Kapai chumari mari chupaku. Aye.